Welcome to CAD Station. Today, guys, we are going to make a piston head. So let's start. Let me highlight it. We are going to make a piston head. That's your experiment 5. Let's start. Here you have the detailed of how you can draw this piston head, but I'm not going to follow these steps. If you want, you can follow this. I'm stopping here so you can read it or make it by following it, but I'm not going to use this. So let's start. Let's see, there are many methods to draw a sketch, so we are going to learn a new one. So let's start. If we have a solidworks, we are going to make a new part, and here I'm going to select a top plane sketch. Okay, in top plane I'm going to make a circle of let me see, this one is of 80, that's mean its radius, so we have to mention the diameter as 80 by 2. Okay, features, we are going to extrude it. How much we are going to extrude? It's 140 height, so we are going to extrude 140 mm. And okay, wait a minute, and mid plane. Okay, it may make easy our sketch. Let's see, we have done with this. Now we have a hole in cylinder head that will use to hold the crankshaft or axle of the crankshaft. So this hole is of let me see, draw a circle in the center roughly 40 mm dia. So this hole is 40 mm dia. So let's make it. Okay, there is a problem. If I select this and want to sketch, there is no option of sketch, and if I click on edit sketch, it will take me to the first sketch. So I can't go to this. Here you have to learn a new thing. If you want to make something on a curved surface, then SolidWorks not allowed to make over it. So you have to take a plane here. Here you have two options in your workbook. There is an option you can create a reference geometry over the edge of your sketch, but it takes time. I'm not going to use this reference geometry. When we have a simple option, then why we go to this reference geometry option? I'm just going to select, you can select any front plane or right plane, it's up to you, both are equal. I'm going to select front plane sketch, Control 8 to take it to the normal. Now make a circle. Origin, here you have a benefit of doing extrude boss base in mid plane. We have made a circle here and we extrude half up and half down. That helped me to take this origin in the center. So I make a hole. Now at that time it's a circle basically, not a hole, and this one is 40 mm. Let me confirm. Yeah, it's 40 mm. Okay, now Control 7. You can see our sketch is in the mid, so extrude cut. Now here is another option. We are making blind option. Blind allows to only do any feature on one side, but we have option through all both. Both will cut this circle in both direction, right or left, both. Okay, we have done with this. Now next, one more important command then that we are going to use here, with a wall thickness of 10 mm. If I want to make this circular, you can say a shaft or a body, hollow, then I have option shell. Removes material from a solid body to create a thin walled feature. Just click on this. You can select this face, or either this one or either this one, it's up to you. You can select any one. That's my top. I select this and I can mention 10 mm, and okay. Now you can see we have done with this. Okay, your sketch is put like this in your workbook, so you can see, or little bit more like this. Yeah, okay, this one. Okay, you can see we have done with this and this. So hopefully you have done with this. Control 7. Now I'm going to change its appearance. From here I'm going to make it black. Okay, okay, this one. But I'm going to select this outer surface and again go to appearance. It will change my appearance of this wall. Okay, this one. Yeah, and the inner one I'm going to make it white. Okay, it's done. The inner one is dark, and you learn that we can change the color of different surfaces one by one. It's totally up to me how I want to look my sketch. So our piston head is done, and if still you have problem, then you can ask me on comment section. And if you like the tutorial, then don't forget to subscribe and share to your friends. Thank you.